I think there are three main points. Two would be from the regulatory perspective, and another one would be from my personal opinion, if I may. The first point would be the HR should expect some sort of refinement when it comes to technical regulations, specifically upon the issuance of Omnibus Law. Even though, yes, we have string and very lengthy regulations that are already covering employment affairs, but still, when you actually enter into the field, you can find that there are certain gaps that needs refinement and it needs a further technical regulations, such as even though this is a very common subject, employment termination, outsourcing, even the severance itself. Second point from the regulatory perspective, I would say data protection, because in this era, not only in Indonesia, I think it's international wise, everything is digitalized. Employment documents, governmental submission applications, everything is conducted online. And Indonesia is also very protective when it comes to data protection. So even when you're collecting information from your employee, they are still going to be considered as a data subject. So you will need their consent as mandated by the regulation. So I think aside from the HR knowledge, HR employees or HR officials within a company needs to also have a proper knowledge and management towards data privacy. The third, it will be, again, this is my personal opinion, but I think the culture of the current employees are quite significantly different to the employees back in 10 years ago. Right now, younger employees, they are more literate when it comes to their legal rights. They have access to legal laws, they have access to legal jurisprudence. So I think they are more aware of their legal rights. Having said that, they might be more focal when it comes to the enforcement of their rights. So I think there will be a trend where HR complaints and HR disputes might be heard by HR officials or HR officers in the company. So again, I think we discussed this earlier, that it has to be handled delicately and respectfully. So HR, they need to understand the culture, and they should not see this proactive attitude of the younger generation as a attack. But it's just, part of the process where the world starts evolving. And I think we're also, as a older generation, need to adapt because it's a good sign.